US President Donald Trump has announced a major peace deal between Iran and Israel, saying that both countries have agreed to end the war within 24 hours. Speaking on Monday night, Trump said that Iran and Israel will start a phased ceasefire plan. According to him, Iran will stop fighting first, and 12 hours later, Israel will do the same. The war will end officially in one day. The fighting between Iran and Israel had lasted 12 days, causing fear around the world that a bigger war might break out in the Middle East. Trump called the agreement a significant diplomatic breakthrough and praised both countries for working together to avoid a long, dangerous war. He posted, "Congratulations to everyone. It has been fully agreed that there will be a complete and total ceasefire for 12 hours, at which point the war will be considered ended." He explained that while each side is observing its ceasefire window, the other side must also remain peaceful. If all goes well, both countries will fully stop fighting within 24 hours. Trump thanked the leaders of both Iran and Israel for their courage and intelligence and said the war could have lasted for years and harmed the entire region, but it didn't. The peace announcement comes shortly after Iran launched missiles at USA military based in Qatar, following earlier US strike on Iranian nuclear site. Trump said that 13 out of 14 missiles were stopped, and the last one didn't cause any major damage. The deal is being seen as a hopeful sign that peace is possible. Even after days of intense fighting, we'll continue to monitor the story for more new development. Keep watching Naija News TV.